This is our new tap doorbell. Here are two sample products. This one is black color. You can see the back interface, RJ45 port. This one is for IP system. And this one doorbell, you can see the back interface. 2-wire pin connector is for 2-wire system. It's gray color, and we can also customize the silver color. With the same appearance, this doorbell can customize for 4-wire system, 2-wire system, and the IP system. And here also support cut swipe function. We can also support no cut swipe function. These two materials, both ABS plastic material, and we can also customize the metal material. The price difference between the ABS plastic and the metal material is $3. If you want to learn more information about our new doorbell, please contact me and I will quote you the best price.